journey has been very interesting. Nothing was really planned, but I think passion, teamwork, and strong willingness to contribute made it all possible.
More than 20 years of experience is put in domain and technology for creating innovative and most complete platform for investing, trading, and analysis. Definage has been instrumental in creating world-class software, education, and mentorship programs.
The biggest quality we have, in my view, is teamwork. We believe teamwork is a very important aspect for any company to grow. None of the decisions, no matter whether they are major or small, are ever taken by just an individual. They are always taken after detailed discussions by a team. And when the whole team is passionate about what they are doing, it is always a win win situation for all.
Both experienced and new traders through our online Pathshala courses and the Friday webinar, and we have a fair bit of idea about their problems and their requirements. So we are very well positioned to cater to the requirements of both new and experienced traders.
We also believe that our users and clients are also part of our team family, and because of their trust and support, we keep improving consistently. और ये केवल इसलिए संभव है क्योंकि डिफाइनेज टीम हथेली के 5 उंगलियों की तरह है, और जब ये सभी एक हो जाती है, सब कुछ संभव बनाती है।
We at Definance try to use cutting-edge technology to improve our products, user experience, and build new and innovative features. We are one of the very few who have built our own charting library on the web that gives us advantage of adding new capability to our software very easily.
We believe users of our products are the main stakeholders in our success. Their constant inputs, suggestions, and feedback has helped us in improving existing features as well as adding new features to our products, be it Opstra or TradePoint. This would not have been possible without their active participation, and we are eternally thankful for their continuous support. And lastly, teamwork and contribution of all our team members has enabled us to achieve definite success.
हमारा मेन फोकस रूल बेस्ड एंड प्रोसेस ओरिएंटेड ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टिंग पे है। हमारे एजुकेशन इनिशिएटिव से हमने पूरी कोशिश की है कि लोगों को सही रास्ता दिखाया जाए और हम कुछ सक्सेस स्टोरी क्रिएट कर सकें। वही सही मायने में अचीवमेंट है।
Strength of Team Definage lies in its ability to think outside the box. This has enabled us to deliver cutting-edge charting solutions and insightful educational programs for our audience. Our products and services are constantly evolving to adapt to the ever-changing financial markets. This is what makes Definage a thriving ecosystem for traders, investors, or someone simply willing to analyze charts.
See, it's a bootstrap. building a team was not really easy. I think I can associate it with movie Lagan. Inclusion of every team member is a story in itself. We are proud about the fact that we have been able to create some very innovative tools, and some of the tools that we provide are unique. We want to continue to do that, and our whole idea is to do some good work and contribute.